Hi guys, I'm Deekshitha. I'm basically from Bangalore. I've done my bachelor's in engineering in industrial engineering and management from BMS College of Engineering. Being from a non-IT background, I thought like getting into IT was like it's just like a dream. But coming here and seeing like passionate, I found all the trainers in here to be so dedicated and passionate about what they are doing. And their main aim is to teach everything from the scratch and also clear to see that nothing is impossible. Like nothing is impossible, and yeah, and the HRs and all the front desk team has been so cooperative with us, and also being like providing constant requirements. So I am glad to be like taught by these angels. So loads of thanks to Qspiders and loads of love to Ramya ma'am and Varun sir. Thank you so much.